A food bank distributes cans of vegetables every Saturday. The following table shows the total number of cans they have distributed since the beginning of this year. Assume that this total is linear for the number of weeks that have passed. A says describe the function being considered in words. It is the cans is a function of the weeks that pass. Part B says to write a linear equation that describes the total number of cans being handed out, y, in terms of the number of weeks, which is x. So I always assume that it's not proportional, just so that I don't make any mistakes. What we are going to do is we are going to find the difference in the y values. So from 2,160 to 180 is a difference of 1,980. Then I need to find the difference in the x values. It started at 12 and went to 1, which is a difference of 11. So to write our slope, we are going to divide 1980 by 11. And that does come out to 180, but it's always safe to do the difference, because if it's not proportional, you can still get the correct slope. Now we are going to write it in slope-intercept form. So we have y, the number of cans, is equal to 180 times the number of weeks. Assume that the food bank wants to distribute 20,000 cans of vegetables. Y is the cans, so we're going to put 20,000 in the Y position. And then it asks us, how long will it take them to meet that goal? So we are going to solve this algebraically by dividing both sides by 180. X is equal to 111.1 repeating. So it will take them 111 weeks to distribute 20,000 cans. And since it's not exactly 111 weeks, we could say about or just over 111 weeks, approximately, those sorts of words. 1D. The manager had forgotten to record that they had distributed 35,000 cans on January 1st. Write an adjusted linear equation to reflect this forgotten information. We know they distribute 180 cans per week, but now we have to change the initial value, the B, the intercept, to 35,000 because they already started with that many distributed. Using your function in Part D, determine how long in years it will take to distribute 80,000 cans of vegetables. Again, the cans is the Y value. They distribute 180 per week, but they've already done 35,000 cans. To solve for X, we have to start by moving this piece over. And we have to do the same thing on both sides. 35,000 minus 35,000 makes 0. We are left with 180x on the right side of the equal sign and 45,000 on the left. Then to solve for x, we need to divide by 180 on both sides. Those divide out. We have x is equal to 250. That is in weeks. We need to know how many years, because it says, using your function, determine how long in years. There are 52 weeks in a year. So 250 divided by 52 will tell us how many years. That comes out to 4.81 rounded. So it's going to take almost 5 years to distribute that many cans.